A quick way to freshen up your worn looking airbox is with an airbox guard, or if you have an airbox that's new or nice already, this is a good way to protect it and also add some grip. So first we're gonna clean it up with some isopropyl alcohol. On some bikes it might be easier to pop the seat up so that way you can get to the top here. I like to take little chunks of the backing to prevent my fingers from touching the adhesive. I'm going to line it up at the back here and get this edge perfect, and the rest of it will line up from there. Now we're just going to add some heat. This will help get that adhesive stuck to the airbox really well. Do the front corner here. Now once you have your seat back in place, you are good to go. That looks pretty fresh on there.